Children, good morning. Children, today we will start an interesting topic. Before that, I want to know one thing. Children, do you remember what we have learned from the last class? Yes, we learned about different sources of water. Which are they? Rain, river, pond, lake, etc. Okay, then what is the main source of water? Do you know the answer? Yes, rain. Rain is the main source of water. When it rains, the rainwater fills up river, ponds and lake. Okay. Then in the case of mountain, the upper part of the mountain is covered with snow. The upper part of the mountain is covered with snow. During summer, the snow melt and form water. Snow melt and form water and the water comes down in the form of river and stream. Okay. Then some water goes under the soil and collected there, that is known as underground water. Underground water. When we dig wells and tube wells, we can collect underground water. Then hand pump also used to draw the underground water. Okay children. Then did you drink water today? Oh yes, good children. Then how many glasses of water do you need every day? How many glasses of water? Do you know the answer? Yes, we need 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. 6 to 8 glasses. 6 to 8 glasses of water need every day. Then we should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. Okay. Children, you do not drink dirty water. Okay. Do not drink dirty water. Dirty, D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty water. In monsoon, sometimes the tap water contain dirty water. Then you should not use dirty water. Dirty water contains germs. Dirty water contains germs. G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Dirty water contains germs. What is germs? G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Okay. Germs means microorganism. Microorganism means very small organism. We cannot see through our naked eyes. Okay. That germs cannot see by naked eyes. We can use microscope to see the germs. Okay, germs is very small organism that make us sick. Okay, example for germs, bacteria, virus. Okay, so children, you do not drink dirty water. Okay, we should drink clean water. Germs, G-E-R-M-S, germs. Okay, germs make us sick. Dirty water make us sick. Example for that diseases, diarrhea, typhoid, dysentery. So children, you should avoid dirty water. Okay, then we should drink clean water. How can we clean water? We can clean water by boiling. Boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. We can clean water by boiling. Okay, we can clean water by boiling. This is one method for clean water. Then second one, we are using water filter. By the use of water filter, we can clean the water. Okay. Water filter. Water filter. What is the spelling of water filter? W-A-T-E-R. Water filter. F-I-L-T-E-R. Water filter. We can clean water by boiling and using water filter. Then third one. Another method, using electrical water purifier. Third one, electrical, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L. electrical water purifier. Electrical water purifier. Electrical water purifier. Okay, electrical, electrical water, water, water purifier, purifier, water purifier, electrical water purifier. These are the three methods for cleaning water. First one, boiling. Second one, water filter. Third one, electrical water purifier. Then we should not drink dirty water by boiling. That kills germs present in it. Okay, boiling of water kills the germs present in the water. Then we have no problem. Okay, then children, we should not waste water. We should save water. We should save water. We should save water because water is very precious. Okay, then some people collect rainwater by using bucket, drum and tank. Okay, then that water is used for washing, bathing and cleaning. And water is very important for us. Water is very useful for us. So you should not waste water. We must save water. Okay children, thank you.